Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Apple working on a foldable device for 2021. Now this is very exciting, and this is going to be Apple's statement device and possibly their most groundbreaking device to date when they release its foldable iPhone. Now with Samsung and Huawei entering into the foldable phone market, Apple definitely wants to get into it. So now they're currently planning to make a foldable iPhone, so this will at least allow them to cut into the category and establish a good amount of smartphone market share for the foldable device segment. Now, UBS believes that Apple will launch the foldable device in 2021 due to their intellectual property filings that they recently have made, so it's leading towards that rumor. And it's definitely a possibility depending on how Samsung and Huawei fare with the foldable device market and how consumers react to it. Now, it may not be a foldable iPhone. All we know is that it'll be a foldable device. So they're just going to really see how the market reacts first. So it might be a tablet first, like a foldable iPad, and then they'll transition onto a foldable iPhone, or it could be a phablet somewhere in between. So we don't really know yet. All we know is that Apple has a patent on a foldable device that will be launching in the near future, so within 2 years. Now, UBS believes that there's a demand for a foldable iPhone, but there is a large gap in between what the consumers will pay for it and what Apple wants to price the product at. So consumers are willing to pay at least $600 US for a foldable iPhone, but Apple wants to price it at around iPhone XS Max prices, which is at least $1,000 at the minimum price. So that's a big gap between what the consumers want to pay for it and what Apple wants to price the product at. So Apple should definitely drive that price down if they want to sell more of these devices. Now, Samsung launched their Galaxy Fold earlier this year, but they had to pull it off the shelves due to the lack of quality in the display, and it was having a bunch of glitches and not really working right when you had folded after many times. But they priced it at $1,980, and that is very pricey. That's twice the price of the iPhone XS. So it's just giving you a good inkling of where the foldable iPhone market is. Of course, with new technology, when it's first announced, it's very pricey, but eventually the price will go down. So let's say, for example, 4K TVs 4 years ago, it was priced very high and very expensive, and it's the top of the line technology. But as it became more normalized, the price was driven down and more affordable for the regular consumer. So I definitely expect Apple to do the same. They want to take time with their product. Number one, because they don't want to mess up on it and have a recall like previous Samsung devices. They want to just make it as best as they can the first time, and it's definitely quality over quantity for them. They're going to take their sweet time, even if it takes more than 2 years, and they'll launch it whenever they're ready and whenever Apple knows the consumers want that particular product. So thanks for watching this video on Apple launching the foldable device in 2021. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video. Please smash the like button down below so when you watch. Also, be sure to check out all the videos on my channel. Be sure to check out AppleCritics.com for this Apple news, news, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AppleCritics. And also follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/AppleCritics or at AppleCritics. And follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/AppleCritics. And thanks for watching.